Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic all-in-one solution for anyone needing a reliable microphone setup. The Peavey PV-MSP2 dynamic cardioid microphone with accessories. Peavey, a name synonymous with quality audio gear, has truly put together a compelling package here that caters to a wide range of users, from budding musicians to seasoned performers and public speakers. At the heart of this kit is the PV-MSP2 dynamic cardioid microphone itself. This type of microphone is a workhorse, known for its durability and ability to handle high sound pressure levels without distortion, making it ideal for live vocals, instruments, or even robust podcasting. Its cardioid polar pattern is excellent for focusing on the sound source directly in front of it, effectively minimizing background noise and feedback, a crucial feature for any live setting. While the microphone itself is available with a 1/4-inch connector, the full kit often comes equipped for XLR connectivity, which is the professional standard for balanced audio signals, ensuring a clean and strong output to your amplifier or mixer. What truly elevates the PV-MSP2 beyond just a microphone is the comprehensive set of accessories included. First up is the robust black powder coat finish tripod microphone stand, complete with a boom arm. This isn't some flimsy add-on. It's a sturdy, professional-grade stand that allows for precise positioning, whether you're miking a guitar amp, a drum, or simply need to adjust for a vocalist's height. The black finish gives it a sleek, stage-ready appearance. Accompanying the stand is a generous 6-meter microphone cable. This ample length provides plenty of flexibility for stage movement or studio setup, ensuring you're not tethered too closely to your equipment. The inclusion of a durable mic clip means you can securely attach the microphone to the stand right out of the box. And for those on the go, the convenient nylon carry bag is a thoughtful addition, making transport and storage of the microphone and its accessories incredibly easy and protecting your investment from the rigors of travel. This entire package is designed for seamless integration with compatible devices like amplifiers, making it a plug-and-play solution for gigs, rehearsals, or even home recording. The Peavey PV-MSP2 kit represents exceptional value, offering not just a quality microphone, but a complete, ready-to-use system that delivers reliable performance and professional aesthetics. It's a testament to Peavey's commitment to providing accessible, high-quality audio tools for everyone.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.